Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Geo top-up balance. This balance adds monetary value to your account, distinct from your regular plan's data or voice benefits. It's perfect for services not included in your main pack. You can easily check your current balance using the My Geo app or by dialing a simple UST code. Understanding this helps you manage your account effectively. Your top-up balance is incredibly versatile. It covers international calls and sending SMS messages, allowing you to connect globally. Furthermore, it's used for premium rate services and various value-added subscriptions you might opt for. If your primary data pack is exhausted, this balance can also fund out-of-plan data usage. It truly extends the utility of your Geo connection beyond your standard plan. Using your top-up balance is straightforward. It's automatically deducted whenever you utilize services not covered by your main plan, such as making an international call or sending a premium SMS. There's no need for any special activation, just use the service, and the amount will be debited. Always ensure you have enough balance for your intended usage, especially for international or premium services, to avoid interruptions. Keeping track of your top-up balance is simple. The easiest way is to open the My Geo app and find the balance section, which provides a clear overview. Alternatively, you can dial *333# from your Geo number, and you'll receive an SMS with your balance. Another option is to send an SMS with BAL to 199. Regularly checking helps you manage your usage and avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.